How to use the tournaments section. Tournaments on Pocket Option are held among a closed group of users trading on the same asset with the same starting balance. The traders with the highest profit win. Depending on the tournament settings, there are usually 3 winners who receive a cash prize. Trading is conducted using a virtual balance, so tournament participants do not spend real account funds on trades. The tournament section consists of 2 tabs. The All Tournaments tab lists all tournaments available on the platform. The Statistics tab provides information about your participation in tournaments. How to participate in a tournament. Tournaments can be paid or free. The cost of participation in paid tournaments starts at $1. The amount for participation is deducted from the real account. Anyone can participate in free tournaments. Participation in any tournament is available only after account verification. Choose a tournament, read its rules, and confirm your participation. You can always rebuy another 100 units of tournament balance. If the tournament is paid, the rebuy amount will be the same as the fee for participation in the tournament. In free tournaments, the rebuy option is only available when your tournament account runs out of funds. To claim your winnings, select the winning tournament in the history and click Claim the Prize. Trade and earn with Pocket Option.